you all for coming. As you know, our university will organize a nature week, so we are here to discuss and decide the best activity for the week. My idea is we organize a tree planting activity. All of the students and all of the people in the university can participate in this activity. And it will also benefit us as the trees will absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. From this activity, we can also beautify our university with all sort of plantation, and this will also increase student quality of life. And from this activity, we also can get um, new knowledge, that is skill planting knowledge.
Oh, you've got a great point there, Aqilah. I totally love the idea of having lush green sceneries in the university because it can give off a calm feeling, especially for the stressed students. But don't you think that at tree planting activity only shows its beneficial results after waiting months or even years? Uh, and also, we lack tools and equipment, so not all students can fully participate in the activity.
Excuse me, I would like to inject something on Akilah's ideas, which is nowadays we have a lot of ornamental species of plant that we can plant all over the campus. So I think it is a good idea for us to plant trees along the roadside, everywhere around the campus to beautify it. I really just love it.
Thank you, Adib, for your addition. Sumayya, I think with a lot of patience, it is worthy. But I must agree with you about the we lack of tools and equipment. So Sumayya, do you have any other suggestion?
Well, I was thinking about what if we do other activities such as recycling. We can start by providing recycling bins all over the university so that the so that the so that we can separate reusable waste from the organic waste. This way, we can reduce the amount of rubbish we throw out every day, and this can have a great deal on saving plenty of Earth's limited resources. Uh, because it is important for us to save it so that our future generations to come can use it as well. Apart from that, we could organize a simple competition while making this recycling day.
Mm, sorry for interrupting there, but what kind of competition are you going to organize?
Uh, it is quite a simple competition actually. We just made the faculty that collects the most recyclable waste wins a cash worthy prize within a week.
Okay. Do you have anything to say about some of my ideas?
I think it is a good idea. That's all.
Yes, sir. Miss Wayne, I also have one question about your ideas. If
Yes.
if we are going to organize the recycling day, will it be taking around 2 days or 3 days since we have a whole week for the nature week?
Um, to answer your question, we will uh, give time for the students to collect the recyclable waste throughout the whole week because it can this can be done naturally throughout their daily lives.
Okay, okay.
So Adib,
So should I move on with my ideas?
yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
Okay, my ideas is on visiting a national park. Okay, essentially, national park is a place to protect the best of our natural heritage, stunning landscapes and extraordinary wildlife and majestic forests. And the benefits that we could get if we go to the national park, first of all, is we get the opportunity to be close with various type of flora and fauna, because some lecturers say based on their experience, they say that we have to be with the nature. Sometimes we have to be off road with the nature to get knows of them. Same goes to us when we want to learn about ocean, we have to sail on it. So if we are close enough to the nature, we could learn something about them. Secondly is we have a lot of informative eco activity that has been organized by the officers there since this is Nature Week. So this we don't have to burden ourselves to organize a lot of things for the students to go there since our mid-sem exam is around the corner, right? Okay, then I think that this is a little bit of my ideas there. Do you have anything to argue about them?
I'm afraid have to disagree with you
Okay.
because I think some students prefer to stay at home studying rather than joining the trip. And in addition, I don't think they want to on cost, uh, spend money on transportation costs to go to the trip.
Oh, of course, I wouldn't bring the whole university student there. I will, I will totally invite them who are in the interest of the nature. So when they are back in the campus, they will act as a trigger to the campus in the nature. Sorry, they will act as a trigger for the people to get to see that the nature as an important element in our daily life. And about the cost, I think it will not be too high since there's some discounts given to us because this is some discount given to us throughout the nature week. So of course we could get less price for going there.
I think you got some point there. Okay,
Thank
how
you.
about our last idea that is organizing a camping at forest reserve.
Sumayya?
What do you think, Sumayya?
Oh, in my opinion, it is a great idea because we, this way we can expose our students to our beautiful tropical rainforest that our Malaysia is famous for. And the students will surely be amazed on seeing our beautiful forest that they will be uh, aware that they are responsible in taking care of the forest so that uh, it is not polluted. So that's why they will realize that they should take matters into their hands. So that's it.
Yes, done.
What
But
about you?
but I have a different side of view about Sumaya. Sumaya said just now, because I don't think that students have enough time for them to go outside, taking 2 or 3 days of their time participating on this camp, because they are they don't have that much of time since the exam is around the corner, right? So I think that most of them will not join it. And secondly, because of the cost, I concerned about the cost that we will be taking because um, we, we to find a
Yes, we have
suitable,
to find. It is high cost.
it's
It
a
is
little bit
really
high
high
cost.
cost.
Furthermore, we have to find a suitable place to organize the camping.
So I think, do you guys have anything to say?
What I want to say is that I think the best ideas that I choose is on the second day is
Recycling,
practical.
recycling
Yes,
activity.
it's my idea.
Yes, I agree with you. So based on our discussion, I believe that all of us agree to organize the recycle activity as it brings a lot of benefit to us and it is also practical.
Yeah.
Thank you all for lending your time,
Okay.
spending your